Introducing Wheelhouse, the software solution revolutionizing the way manufacturers optimize their value stream and workflow from sales through manufacturing. Driven by a passion for supporting American manufacturers, Wheelhouse is proudly developed 100% in the United States and backed by a dedicated US-based team. Our software encourages collaboration between departments, enabling teams to unsilo and deliver exceptional customer experiences. Wheelhouse's order management and product configuration system allows your customers to enter their own orders quickly and accurately, even for complex products, easing the load on customer service. Orders are received instantly and routed through production on a predefined path. Step-by-step tracking ensures your team stays focused, increasing capacity and efficiency. Your customer service agents are empowered with real-time order status, boosting customer confidence and satisfaction. Wheelhouse includes a built-in link to QuickBooks and may also be customized to integrate with other systems, providing connectivity throughout your entire operation. Wheelhouse's Kanban inventory system helps optimally reduce inventory and free up cash. Product consumption is tied directly to purchasing for easy reordering, ensuring you maintain ideal inventory levels. Wheelhouse lives in the cloud, so there is no server to maintain, and you can access your data from anywhere, anytime. Are you ready to transform your manufacturing operations? Explore the benefits of Wheelhouse by starting a conversation with us today. Don't miss out on the powerful advantages Wheelhouse can provide for your manufacturing business.